Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Nicole. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And if you're back visiting, welcome back. So I'm going to start off by saying if you hear baby noises in the background, that is baby Titus. He's right here. He doesn't like when mommy's not around or if mommy's not holding him. Yes, he's spoiled rotten, as babies should be. So if you hear baby noises like you hear him now, sucking on his pacifier, that's what that is. So anyway, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I have been maintaining these beautiful goddess braids. Now I have had them in for about 3 weeks now, and as you can see, they are still beautiful. They are still going strong. I've seen a lot of videos where a lot of people say that these braids tangle up fast, they mat up fast, and I want to say it's probably because of the brand of hair that they chose and probably because of them maintaining them, and probably not in a good way. So it is high maintenance. This hairstyle is kind of sort of high maintenance, not really, but for the most part, as long as you tie it up at night, apply the right products, then you'll be good to go, I feel like. So I've been doing that for these past 3 weeks and I have not had a problem out of this hairstyle. So yeah, let's just get into it. So first things first, I tend to my scalp at night, and what I apply on my scalp is this Canvas Hair Blossom Serum. You probably have seen this on your Facebook feed or Instagram feed. This is like very, very popular. I said I wanted to purchase it to see if it actually grows your hair out, and I am going to be doing a separate video on this oil to let you guys know if it actually like grows your hair. So yeah, and so I'm just gonna show you a quick demo of what I do. I just go in and apply some oil. Hey little man, I'm right here, and you spit out your pacifier. Of course you would, like usual. And you just go in and apply the oil on your parts like normal. And I do this if not every other day. If I feel like it, I do it every day or every other day. Hey! So once I apply the oil, I then just go in and rub it in. And that's pretty much it when it comes to my scalp. So basically what I do in order to tie my hair up at night, I will apply some mousse. Now I only apply mousse to this hair whenever I see fit. So when the curls start to get a little frizzy, I just recently applied some the day before yesterday, so they don't really look that bad. But I'll apply mousse maybe every 4 or 5 days. It's not often at all. And you just basically go in, apply your mousse, and this is what's going to help set the curls and tame the frizz and all that good stuff. And you don't need to apply this every day. Just whenever you feel like, you know, you need to help tame some of the curls and get rid of some of that frizz. So I'm just going to apply that to both sides. And sometimes you don't even have to apply mousse. If you want to, you can just apply water to your hair. And that will reactivate the mousse that's already in your hair, instead of you consistently applying mousse over and over and over again. Like, since I've hit the 3-week mark, I'm not going to apply any more mousse after this. I'll probably just be applying water to just reactivate the mousse. And that way I won't have all that product buildup, because when you have tons of product buildup in your hair, that's what causes tangling and matting, because, you know, you have all that gunk in there. So you don't need all of that. Look how beautiful. Once I've applied the mousse, I then go in and I put all of my hair to the back. And this is how I tie my hair up at night. And this is key to keeping your style nice and neat and untangled and unmatted. Okay? So basically, after my hair is all towards the back, I just take a shoestring and I tie it and I put it in a ponytail. Just a low ponytail, nothing special. Can y'all see? Like y'all can answer me back. So yeah, I just put it in a low ponytail, like so. Just like that. And once I put it in a ponytail, I then move all of the hair to one side and I twist it like maybe about halfway. And then I bring it up to the top of my head. And then I use 2 butterfly clamps to clamp it down. So once I'm finished clamping it with my butterfly clips, I then go in with my, I think this is called a wrap cap. You know how whenever you used to get a perm or whenever you straighten your hair, you you wear these little caps with the Velcro on the top? So yeah, that's what I use. I take it and I secure the very top part of my head because of course you want to protect your edges from all that friction, and you also are going to protect these braids at the top from frizzing up from, again, the friction from you sleeping all wild and whatnot. So you just, you know, secure the back with the Velcro. Make sure your edges are covered and the front part of your braids. And you want to pull those curls out because you don't want those curls to get all flat and whatnot. Now, sometimes I do go to bed like this, just like this, and I can wake up and it's just fine. And sometimes I will put on my bonnet, but lately I've been wearing my bonnet so I can help better protect those curls. And that's it. And as you can see, like, it's up, it's out the way, you're protecting it. That's it. That's it. That's it. And whenever you wake up in the morning, all you have to do is take your bonnet off, take the clamps off, take the shoestring off, and the cap, and you just shake it out. Just shake it out like so. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. As you can see, your girl is slowly creeping on 1,000 subscribers. So help get me there by hitting the little red button. So yes, until next time, y'all. Bye.